Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a flight ticket date in Emirates. First, open your browser and go to the Emirates website at emirates.com. Then, click on Manage Your Booking at the top of the page. Enter your last name along with your booking reference or ticket number to access your reservation securely. Once your booking details load, look for the option to change your flight date and select it. You will see available flights on different dates. Review the schedule and choose a new date and time that suits your travel plans. Next, check if there is any fare difference or change fee. Emirates usually display the additional amount before confirming, so you know exactly what you need to pay. Complete the payment using your preferred method, such as a credit or debit card or any other accepted payment option. After payment, review all the updated flight details carefully and confirm the change. Emirates will then email your new e-ticket with the updated flight information. You can also save a copy on your phone or print it for convenience. Make sure to check your email and Emirates account to verify that the changes has been applied correctly. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.